Good morning. It is 10/8/21. 10/8/21. I'm going to get a COVID test. I thought this was all going to be over, you know. And it might just be allergies. I don't know if it's allergies. I don't think it's allergies. I don't get allergies like this. So I could do commercials for things. I could sing bass in the Oak Ridge Boys, with his voice. Or I could do a number of other voiceover things. So give me a call and we'll discuss. I'm back to this. I threw all these away. I had to go in the garbage and fish one out. Just kidding, I didn't do that. I'm losing a day of work today. Plus, I had to cancel a gig. But I'm going to go try to get a test. I'm going to call my doctor if I have to. Go to the Walgreens, do whatever I can to make sure this isn't... I have a dry, persistent cough. So we'll see what I have. I would like to be COVID negative. I want to get the call like, sorry, you're COVID negative. Yay! Sometimes you want to hear positive things. Sometimes you want to hear negative things. And this is one example. But anyway, I will try to get to Walgreens and see what they say if I have to wait there for a while.
Calling for information about COVID-19.
Okay.
We are experiencing high call volume and appreciate your
So
patience.
Walgreens is closed.
Working hard to support
I know the one in Gray is closed
Currently scheduling
today,
COVID
and this one's closed. I don't know if it's because of
CDC
lack of employees or
already have an upcoming appointment
team
scheduled
building
with primary
meetings
care
or
office.
whatever.
There
But
is
the
no need
Walgreens
to
is
schedule
closed.
another.
The pharmacy
Your care
is.
team will discuss your
They're still selling
eligibility
trinkets,
to
so you can get your trinkets
at the
there.
time of your appointment.
So now I'm calling my
If you do not have an
doctor
appointment, please
and see if
request
I
your
can
COVID third
get
dose
one at the
through my
hospital.
chart
It's
information.
a perfect storm for this terrible, terrible thing. That would have gone away if people would have fucking got vaccinated, but that's another story. Relax. I don't want to start coughing. Okay, I just had my COVID test. Wow. I had one before, but it's hard to get used to that, getting this thing stuck all the way up to your brain. My nostrils are even larger than they were before. I look like a pig. Anywho, I am a pig. I'll find out tomorrow. I do have a persistent cough. I'm not gonna cough. I told myself I wasn't gonna cough. And I do have the sniffles, and I could taste things. I'm still, so I don't have that, but I do, have a headache, and I'm a little confused, but I'm always a little confused anyway, so I don't know. I had my flu shot. I've got my double shots for COVID, but I'm just worried for the rest of my family, because then they have to quarantine, I think. Thank you again from Southern Maine Healthcare, Southern Maine Health. Please leave a review. Stop to unsubscribe. Okay, well, let's do this. Hi, everybody. As you know, I've been tested for COVID at the Southern Maine Medical Center, or whatever the fuck it is. That's just the closest hospital. I'm just glad I have a hospital, because in some places they don't have hospitals, and in other places all the hospitals are filled with unvaccinated patients. But that's another story. So anyway, I'm supposed to leave a review for this hospital or for the facility and my medical care. Thank you for sticking those things up my nose, up into my brain. No, thankfully, I was able to get an appointment the same day. Thank you. My insurance covered it. As far as I know, I don't know. Maybe they'll kick it back to me. Hopefully I don't have COVID, and they'll give me a call if I do tomorrow. But leaving a review, this is not like, how were my chocolate chip cookies? Were they delicious? Tell us how. This is like life and death. Here's my other part of the review. If you really want to know, I'm really pissed off at the fucking people that don't get vaccinated, okay? Because even though I'm vaccinated, I'm affected by this whole thing, and I don't want to go over it again, because I already did in a post. But I'm losing money. My family, Might have to quarantine. My daughter's going to miss a play, maybe. My wife's going to miss work. You know, we live paycheck to paycheck, folks. You know, so the unvaccinated, especially all you fuckers who want to use religious, exemptions for, Jesus didn't mention it in the Bible. Well, Jesus didn't mention anything in the Bible because it wasn't written at the time of fucking Jesus. St. Paul, the apostle, never met Jesus. Okay? Now I'm going on a rant. The other apostles who knew Jesus hated St. Paul, the guy who invented the church. He was like, hey, I got a new idea. You could be new Jews, but here's the catch. You can eat all the seafood you want, and you don't have to get the tip of your dick chopped off. Where do I join up? I'm there. Anyway, that must be the COVID talking. I'll stop now, but yeah. So the COVID test's not detected, and there's, it says I probably don't have it, which is good, which is fucking great.